Alright, on the plane, this is the quick answer when you ask me to draw you a section of what I'm saying, because it makes zero sense. So I've drawn this up in CAD. The Earth's radius here of 6371, as you can see, big ass circle. Right, I've drawn a plane 11 kilometers high, which is 36,000 feet. This dashed line is the pilot eye level, so that's the line that he sees when he looks at level, when he uses his HUD. And when he looks down to see the horizon strike at this point, right, that's at roughly 3 degrees, which is pretty true. You ask any pilot, if they're up at their max cruising height, they're roughly 3 degrees looking down. Right, so line to horizon, pilot eye level. This is the terminator line right here. Terminator line is usually a term for where the sun strikes one side and the dark strikes the other, is on the other side. But I'm using it in reference to the point where the visible surface of the curve is visible all the way up to this point, and when it gets to that horizon point, even from an aeroplane, you won't be able to see the parts behind. The only possible chance you might see the parts behind is if a mountain sticks up like this, like that. If there's a mountain beyond this distance, then you will see part of it, but apart from that, it's not going to happen. Now, in relation to that other video where one side is looking at the moon, one side is looking at the sun, well, the sun is past sunset. So this line here would be sunset for anyone who's standing on the ground. But because the pilot is up high, because the pilot is up 11 degrees, he can see the sun a little bit below the horizon. So he'll see it in this 3 degree patch right here. And when he looks over to the right hand side, he'll see it on this patch as well. So the line of the moon is right there. So I'm hoping that makes sense. There you go, easy.